Very good morning, my children. This is a Bengali class. Bengali is not at all a difficult subject. If you pay little attention, you can score maximum marks in it. And especially, you see that we will bring with the vowels and consonants, which you have already read in your junior classes. Same as Hindi, I have written. I am going to write in Hindi also along with Bengali, and also I will write its Bengali pronunciation in English. Pronunciation means how to speak. So it is not at all a difficult subject. Only difference is that you see that in Hindi we have a, e till ang, ah. अर्थात बंगला में जो स्वरवर्ण है वो हिंदी के स्वरवर्ण से ही मिलता है. इंग्लिश में भी स्वरवर्ण है जिसे हम लोग भावेल कहते हैं. तुम लोग सब कोई जानते हो कि इंग्लिश में स्वरवर्ण या वावेल्स ए, ई, आई, ओ, यू, और हिंदी में आ, ई, ओ, ओ, उ, अंग, अह. परंतु बंगला में अंग और अह नहीं होता है, सिर्फ वारा स्वरवर्ण है. जैसे ये देखो कि बंगाली भावेल्स मतलब बंगला स्वरवर्णों स्वा, स्वा, र, र, व और मूर्धना रेप. देखो जैसे कि हम लोग हिंदी में लिखे हैं बंगला ओ, आ, ए, डब्ल्यू. व्हाट हैपन्स इन हिंदी वी गिव more stress on akar, a. But in Bengali, we give stress on akar, a, o. In English, in your junior classes, you must have read such words, paw, paw, paw. Paw means panja. So here, o, a, double a, h. Now in Hindi we call it choti e. In Bengali we call it horsoi, horsoi, and badi e is known as dirghoi, dirghoi. Then comes the fifth vowel, that is horsou, horsou. Then six, dirghou, dirghou, dirghou. Then comes ri, ri. We all know about Rishi Muni. What is that? It comes from Rikar. In Hindi, we write Ri this way and Bengali this way, and its Bengali and its pronunciation is Ri, Ri, Ri. Then Li. Of course, Li sometimes we write La में छोटी Bengali also, just as in Hindi. Then A, in you see that ninth vowel of Bengali and Hindi has got resemblance or similarity with the first vowel, that is A. A. 10. Oi. O-I-O-I. Oi. We all know that Airavat. So, what is Airavat? It is a kind of elephant, imaginary elephant. It is said that it is found in heaven and King of God, Lord Indra rides on it. So, Oiravat. Then Aikya, unity. So, we are using Oi. Then O. O. We write in English this way, O. Then Hindi this way, Bengali this way. Ol, com, it's a kind of vegetable. Then you see that Oushad or Osad, medicine. Now boys, I would like to tell you to please write down this in your notebook. And it is in the first chapter. In old book, those who have got old Bengali book, it is in page 3. I think that in new book also it is in page 3. Page 3, first chapter. So, vowels in Hindi we call Swarban, Bengali also we call Sharabarna. Now there are 14 vowels in Hindi. Apart from O, we have ang, ah, but here in Bengali we have got only 12 vowels. Ang, ah is missing. So let us revise, let us read. You please try to pronounce with me twice, thrice, even 10 times. Even if you learn every day, you can get. And this will help you to score maximum marks in the subject, because it is a very easy subject. It will help you to lift up your percentage in examination. And what is the other importance of Bengali? You see that if you sit for All India competitive examination and if you will be qualified in Indian Administrative Service, IAS, and you will get the charge of district as a district magistrate in West Bengal or in Tripura. If you know Bengali, it will help you to interact with the local people. Then we all know that Bengali is the national language of our neighboring country called Bangladesh. If you will be selected for Indian Foreign Service and you will be appointed as the High Commissioner of Bengal, High Commissioner of Bangladesh, or any official in Bangladesh as a member of Indian High Commission, it will help you to interact with the local people. It will help you to interact with the local people. Now, and our national anthem and national song. National anthem is Janagana Manayadi, Nayaka Jaya Hai, Bharata Bhagya Vidhata, is written in Bengali by a renowned poet Rabindranath Tagore. And our national song, Bande Mataram, Sujalam Sufalam Malaya Sitalam Sasya Syamalam Mataram, it is also written by Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay in his famous novel Anandamath.